Hey YouTube, coming to you today with a work from home tutorial. I have 9 work from home tutorials that I'm going to start off real quick. Um, don't forget to stay tuned. Stay with the online that I'm going to put out there. And so you could get paid, basically, so you could make money. That's what I'm here for, and I'm going to help you in any way that I can. I also have some job opportunities from Louisiana that I got from one of my subscribers. So I'm going to put a couple of those also for people that live in Louisiana. I'm going to put those out also, okay? The first one is called MDevelopment. That's number one. Basically, it's a you're going to be a cold caller. 20 to 40,000 a year under contract. So you're going to get commission. You're not going to get uh like a paid like minimum pay or none of that. You're going to get a commission. You're going to be working on commission. You got to schedule appointments, cold calling to business to try to make sales for this company. Um, it's very easy. It says you make 20 to 40,000 a year. That's number one. Number two is a virtual security, and this is in Pennsylvania. As a sales rep, you're going to be doing sales. This is 20 to 80,000 yearly. Part time position, and you also work off commission. Also, this is a sales. You must have sales experience. You got to know how to make sales over the phone, and that's basically that one. That's number two. Number three is called Leoness Insurance. You're going to be a sale producer. Um, Basically, you're going to be working in sales by presentation. You're going to be closing sales, developing insurance quotes. Telling the people that call, the customers or businesses that call you, you're going to be giving them quotes on how much the insurances is for whatever they're looking for. Basically, this is you can get a generous commission. You get health insurance, 401k, and you get paid time off. That's number three. Number four is for big brothers and big sisters, and it's $12 an hour. It's data entry, part-time position. So you're gonna be putting information into the computer. You got to make a positive impact on children's lives. You got to prepare and distribute thank you letters to the prospective customers, the clients that send money to big brothers and big sisters. So you got to take that information over the phone, and if they want to make donations, you got to do all the information over the phone and put it into the computer, and that's $12 an hour. And the number five is this is for Louisiana only. This is Sykes Enterprises, and this is a work at home position. It's customer service. $10 an hour. You got to speak on the phone, use a speedy computer, and you just got to basically use your own logic and solve problems for the customers. And this is in Louisiana. And the next one, number 6 we're up to, is called Squared Media. And this is in New Jersey. Part-time coordinator, $20 to $25 an hour. You got to basically set up conversion tracking over the phone. You got to build a rapport with customers, team members, and you must have at least 2 years of managing experience for this particular position. Number 7 is called Q Kids. That's very popular, but this one is in Louisiana. Sorry. Anywhere in Louisiana. That's what it says, in the United States, particularly in Louisiana. And this is called Q Kids. You got to tutor English to the children over the phone. That's about it. And it's $16 to $20 an hour just for teaching kids over the phone. And this is a position in Louisiana. Um, the number 8. We're already on number 8. Ah, shoot. Okay. Number 8 is called Windy City Call Center, also in Louisiana. I'm gonna put these on the bottom, so I'm gonna put Louisiana, so you'll know that it's for Louisiana. So it'd be especially for my subscriber that asks for Louisiana. I got you. I got you. Okay, this is called Windy City Call Center. It's a home-based call center, meaning you work from home. It's $9 to $10 an hour, and have all shifts, part-time and full-time. You assist with employment applications over the phone and pre-qualification process, meaning if a customer calls on the phone and they want a position working at Windy City Call Center, you just give them the information, what they need to do in order to work for this company. So that's what you're going to be doing. And you got to be a resident of Illinois, Indiana, Florida, Nevada, Louisiana, Tennessee, or Texas. So that's pretty cool. And this is $9 to $10 an hour. Last but not least, I hope you stay with me. Number 9 and final is called New York Life, and this is in White Plains, New York position. And it's a work from home, and this is preferably in White Plains. It's an appointment setter, cold calling local businesses, and some leads will be provided to you, so you don't get all confused of who to call. So yeah, they're going to be sending you all the information if you get hired, but they need people now. You got to set up appointments through the telephone, follow a simple script that will be provided for you. You don't have to come, you don't have to make up nothing. They're going to send you a script that you follow, and you got to make sales. Confirm appointments for senior sales executive. So you gotta be making sales for New York Life, basically New York Life Insurance, and you gotta follow up with these prospective leads. And you get paid for every completed appointment set. So every time you do a sale and it's definitely completed, you get paid. So to me, that sounds like a commission. So whenever you get a lead, they're going to send you a script, and you call that lead and you do your telemarketing. And if they like it and you get a solid sale, meaning if it's a completed appointment set, you get your commission. You get paid for that. So I wanted to come to you today real quick and say thank you for coming to my channel. I wanted to put these work from home positions so you can start making money today, ASAP. And just, look on the bottom, put the links on the bottom, click on them, and get paid. That's all I want for you. And I want to say thank you for coming to my channel. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a big like and subscribe on the bottom, or comment, whatever you want to do, whatever you feel like doing. Comment on the bottom and let me know how these went for you. And I'm going to do some more, and I'm going to keep doing some more for work from home videos. And I want to say thank you. Thank you for coming to my channel. I appreciate you. And I'm going to do some more. So be looking for me. So I'm going to sign out. Say thank you for coming to my channel. I'm going to put these on the bottom right now so you can sign up. Click on the link, especially for my subscriber from Louisiana. I got you. Don't worry about it. So I'll put them on the bottom and you see, go from there. That's it. Let me know how it went. All right? Take care, everybody. Be safe in these streets. Okay, bye-bye.